Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair collab, and today I am collabing with Cranberry Hair. They sent me this bomb curly wig, and I will be installing it with you guys, showing you everything that I did to get this middle part look. So let's get right into the video.
You can tell me what you're feeling, why you chose
So guys, this is the final look. You can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested. Y'all, I definitely love this hair. It definitely was poofy. You can wear it wet and add in like leave-in conditioner, whatever. It's up to your choice. But it's definitely a look. Definitely love it. Definitely recommend. Don't forget to go shop for Cranberry Hair. Everything will be in the description box. Literally everything that you need to know. Literally everything that you need to know. Their website, their WhatsApp, literally everything. Their Instagram, y'all, as well as my Instagram. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram. And also, don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. And I will see y'all in my next video.